Welcome to this tutorial on how to find SWOT analyses using business databases at Purdue University libraries. This tutorial will cover what a SWOT analysis is, why a SWOT analysis is useful, and where to find SWOT analyses using Purdue-purchased databases. A SWOT analysis is a type of analysis of a company, industry, or product that looks at and identifies its strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. In other words, it looks at the advantages, disadvantages, opportunities for growth and advantage, and elements that could be troublesome to its success. A SWOT analysis is useful because it helps to learn more than the basics about a company, industry, or product. It allows you to more fully understand the environment and the climate in which it lives, and it allows you to think along the same lines as the company or industry would. Purdue Libraries purchases a number of databases that include SWOT analyses, and it's important to note that each of these databases will have different analysts looking at the company, industry, or product. This means that each of these analyses will be a bit unique. To begin, visit the Parish Library homepage at lib.purdue.edu/libraries/mgmt for management. When you get to the Parish Library homepage, access the list of business databases. This is where you'll access the databases that include SWOT analyses. These databases include Business Source Complete, OneSource, and ABI Inform Collection. Let's open Business Source Complete to get started. To find a SWOT analysis in Business Source Complete, we'll search for a company, like Honeywell. Then, on the left-hand side, we'll limit the source type to SWOT analyses. It should give you the most recent result first. Just click the PDF full text button to access the report. OneSource also has SWOT reports. Once you open OneSource from the list of business databases, we'll search for Honeywell again in the company search. In OneSource, you'll want to make sure that you select the public parent company rather than a private subsidiary that might be too small to have its own SWOT report. We'll choose Honeywell International Incorporated. When you open the company profile, it'll begin with a company summary. On the left-hand side of the page, you'll see a sort of index where you can click on the SWOT report. This is a report you can browse, print, or export as a text file. ABI Inform Collection is a little different. To yield the best results in ABI Inform, you'll want to search for the company name and SWOT in the search bar. We'll continue using Honeywell for our example. It's important to note that this might return SWOT analyses on the industry that your company is a part of as well as for the company itself. And there are also several different SWOT report publishers included in these results. Once you find what you're looking for, you'll click on the full text button for access and options for downloading. Now you should know what a SWOT analysis is, what they're used for, and where you can find them. If you have any further questions, contact us at parlib@purdue.edu. Thank you.